Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel. Best Investments by Mitch Sabache and I am the credited seller of the MC Home. So today, samahan nyo at ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aming 3-bedroom model unit dito po kay Sonora Garden Residences. Okay po. Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel. Best Investments by Mitch Sabache and I am an accredited seller of the MCA Homes. Hello po, kamusta po kayo? So I hope napanood nyo yung first video natin, yung tour natin dito kay Sonora Garden Residence. So ito right now, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sa aming 3-bedroom model unit dito. So it is located on the second floor of Cadence Building. So this is Cadence Building. So makita ninyo, enjoy ninyo yung ating Lumivent technology. So ito yung ating atrium level po. Now for every 5 floors, meron tayong ganitong ganitong floor, yung may garden po tayo. So this serves as the natural ventilation of our whole building po, of the whole project. Yun ang kagandahan nitong every project po ni DMCA Home. So this Sonora Garden Residences po is a joint venture with Robinson's Land po. So tara, pakita ko po sa inyo yung aming 3-bedroom model unit. So all of our 3-bedroom units are located on the corner area po, okay? So for this 3-bedroom unit, ang size nito is at 81 square meters. So tara po, pakita ko po sa inyo. So this unit is facing towards our main gate. So makikita niyo ito, main gate, dito yung ating rotonda. And then nandoon sa side na yun, si Robinson's Mall po. Okay, so yun ang kagandahan nitong project na to. Kasi katabi lang din niya si Robinson's. So, let me show you our unit layout for the 3-bedroom unit. So, it is at 81 square meters. Upon entering, kitchen, dining, living area, balcony 2, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. We have a common toilet and bath, a bedroom 1, and your own toilet and bath. So, upon entering, pagpasok po natin, on my right side, this is the dining area. So, napakaganda. Simple lang ang pagka-interior natin dito sa unit na to. And then on this side po, makita ninyo yung very spacious natin na kitchen area. Okay? So, hindi natin pinalitan yung kitchen cabinets natin. This is how we deliver our units, kitchen cabinets, granite countertop. And then, dito may mga drawers na rin tayo dito. And then, yung kitchen sink natin, granite countertop, di ba? Then dito, you can put your fridge and then your range hood. So, dito sa atin po, pwede po ang gas, pwede rin electric. Okay? So, this is your living area. So, malaki rin ang ating living area, which you have your own access sa inyong first balcony. So, for this type of unit po, dito sa side na to, naka-facing siya dito sa main gate natin. So, meron kang sariling balcony dito. So, it's really up to you on how you will interior unit. Pero, ang kagandahan dito, you have your own balcony, which is ang access sa living area. And then, dito po sa ating toilet and bath, this is the common toilet and bath. So, hindi natin siya in-interior ng, so wala tayong nilagay cabinets, pero may mga floating shelves dito. Hindi natin, this is how we deliver our lavatory. Ganyan yung standard yan. And then, dito yung fittings and fixtures natin kasama po ito. And here, you have your own storage po for the washing machine. So, it could be your pantry and then pwede rin kayong maglagay ng washing machine dito. Diba? Yan po yung kagandahan nitong space natin ito. So, pwedeng storage, pwedeng laundry station, pwedeng laundry area. Diba? And then, this is the 3rd bedroom. So, sa 3rd bedroom, naglagay lang sila dito ng single bed. And this is the cabinet, diba? A small table, diba? So it could be a children's room, ganon. So depende kung paano ninyo gagawin. Kano yung go-customize, go-configure according to your preferences po. And then sa bedroom 2, so ito yung medyo mas malaking size. Ito ginawang office, diba? So with desk table, a two-seater sofa, a love seat. Window type ang air conditioning natin dito po kay Sonora Garden Residences. And yung standard size na ng mga windows po natin. Now we go to the bedroom 1. So sa bedroom 1, this is the master bedroom po. Okay, so this one is a double bed. And then dito yung wardrobe po natin. Vanity mirror, vanity. And then dito yung ating own toilet and bath. So, meron kang sariling toilet and bath po dito. Dito, included itong lababo na with the granite countertop din po. So, simple lang din ang pagka-interior dito. Di ba? Hanging curtain lang siya. Hindi po tayo naglagay ng shower enclosure dito. Pero kasama yung mga fittings and features natin dito. Including dito yung sa lavatory po natin. Okay? And then also dito sa bedroom 1, makikita ninyo, you have your own balcony then. So, dalawa ang balcony natin dito po sa mga 3-bedroom units natin kay Sonora Garden. So, this balcony has a size of 8 square meters po. Di ba? So, malaki ang balcony natin dito sa 3-bedroom natin. Okay? So, I guess that's it. That concludes my my tour here for our 3-bedroom unit. So if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko, naka-flash sa screen, you may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng viewing. Pwede ko po kayo dalhin dito sa napakagandang project natin sa Sonora Garden Residence. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.